Coffee's done. Breakfast has been eaten. Yeah, start getting some stuff done. Kitty is here. I got laundry to fold. A little bit there. Kitty has been fed. Yes, you have. Have you been fed? I need to get to work, which means I get to use my treadmill. It's handy. First things first. All dressed. I guess I'm ready to work now. That's the treadmill. Laundry in the back. This is my office, laundry room, guest room. Here we go. Start it. Don't fall. Don't fall. It's always key. Hope you have a good day. Hope you get a lot done. Hope you have some chill time. Oh, hydrate. Don't forget to hydrate.